Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about VPNs and how to utilize a VPN. For example, watch Pluto TV in the United Kingdom or in Canada or in Australia. We're going to talk about that right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's get right into it, guys. So the first thing you're gonna need a VPN. That's the first thing you're gonna need without question. So I'm gonna show an example of a free VPN. That way everybody that's watching this video can get it, regardless of who you are or how much money you have, okay? So I'm gonna show you how to do Windscribe right here. You get Windscribe just by going to the top, searching for it, and putting it in. I have another video on how to get it, how to install it. The top VPNs. I've got all those videos, guys. Just click my name down below. Go to the top, click videos, scroll through. You'll see all my videos. I've got hundreds of videos on really cool stuff for the Amazon Fire Stick. So let's go ahead and do it right now. So we've got Netflix, you've got Pluto TV, and you can't get them because you're in Canada or the UK. Let's just do that as an example. So let's go ahead and open up your VPN. I'll open up Windscribe right here. I'm already connected to a Windscribe in London right now, and I'm going to show you how to change it to London, okay? Or anywhere else, or vice versa. So go ahead and go back here. You're going to go down here to the locations just by scrolling down on your mouse is all you need to do. So you can go over here and let's say I want to change it to France, okay? So when you automatically click France, it'll give you all the choices. Now, on a free VPN, you're going to get less choices. On my ExpressVPN that I use on our personal Fire Sticks, I will have about 200 France choices. Here I've got one, but I do have a France choice. So let's go ahead and do it right now and connect. So you just go over to connect. It will disconnect from what you were, and then it will reconnect to Paris. So I've just changed my location from the UK, which is what it was set on when you first watched the video, to Paris. Okay, so now I'm going to get completely different content. I'm going to get French channels. I'm going to get movies and TV shows catered towards France, okay? Which is great. If you speak French, you don't speak English, now you have an opportunity to watch some of that content. If you're in, say, the United States and you want to change your location to France, or if you want to change it to Spain if you speak Spanish. So now I'm connected to Paris. So any of the content that I go to now on Pluto TV or Netflix as just two examples, will now be the French version of those, okay? Now, Pluto TV specifically is just for the US. That's why you need a VPN if you want Pluto TV. If you don't know what Pluto TV is, watch my Pluto video. It's great. It's a fantastic service here. It's right there. It's got all kinds of channels. Now, if I was to click on it right now, I don't believe it would even work. Let me try it just for the fun of it and see if it works in France. So if I click on it, it's a possibility it may not work. And that's because I am now technically in France. I've already downloaded the app when I was in the US. It will just do this right here. It's not going to work, or it would have pulled up by now. All right, so let's go ahead and go back. Yep, over and out. All right, so you can't use it because I'm in France. You don't have Pluto TV in France. Can't download it, can't use it, can't do anything with it. Let's change it back to the United States and see what happens with that. So we're going to reopen up Windscribe. It is still connected to Paris. Go ahead and go down, and I'm going to change my location to US Central. There's a connect that's free. So it shows the speed here. Okay, so this one's not going to be super fast. Let me find one's a little faster. Let's go east. Got Chicago down here, 70. There's Miami Vice. That's pretty quick. So we'll go ahead and do Miami Vice. So we'll connect to Miami Vice right now. So now technically, as far as anybody's concerned, I'm in Miami. All right, so we'll just wait for this to connect. And once it's connected, my IP address here will change again, I do believe. It changes constantly. This is actually not mine. This is one that is from the previous one that I had. So now my IP address is here. So it changes. It is locked. It is secured. So let's go ahead and go to the home button and let's see if Pluto TV now works, because I'm in the US. All right, there it is. Give it a few seconds. It's probably confused as I was just in France. And there we go. So now you can see all of them here, all of the channels, scrolling through. Still loading the main page because it's trying to figure out how I got from France to Miami so darn fast. So we can go Fear Factor, click on that. And this is Fear Factor UK actually. And once it catches up to me, it should play just fine. All right, so let's see what else we got. I'll wait for that to load and I'll just scroll through Forensic Files. You've got all the channels here, as you can see. So there's a lot of UK channels on here. So I imagine Pluto TV, there we go. Yeah, I imagine Pluto TV probably works. I'm gonna go ahead and close off of this now. I imagine Pluto TV probably works in the UK as well, but you can change your location to any country you want to try it. But I do know for a fact it does work in the United States. I know a lot of my viewers are from the UK and Canada, and specifically the Canadian ones have trouble. I think the max you can get with Pluto TV in Canada is 15 channels, but if you have a VPN, you can then change it and have the thousands of movies, TV shows, hundreds of channels available to you. Completely free. I know this is just a easy, quick, simple video for some, but others that may have not used a VPN or don't understand it, maybe this will help you out a little bit. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Hope you learned something today. Hit that thumbs up if you liked the video and comment down below any questions you might have. Thanks for watching. Bye.